So this is the first day of the Bluesail and UmiCS Academy course here in Lisbon. Today we have planned 6 surgeries in 2 different hospitals. This morning we perform as anatomic segmentectomy, a big tumor of the mediastinum and biopsies of a mesothelioma. And this afternoon we just finished the first lobectomy in the other hospital, and we have 2 sympathectomies to do today. Tomorrow we will have the cadaver lab in the Nova Medical School, very close from here, and I think we will be a success.
Hi everyone, I'm Diane from Bluesail Surgical and welcome to UmiCS 2026. This year is definitely an elevated experience. We've got surgeons coming from Poland, from Greece, from Germany. They all gathered here for this amazing experience. So the program is 2 days long. Yesterday we just spent an amazing day with Professor Javier and Professor Diego for live surgeries. We've done 4-5 surgeries, and I believe everyone learned a lot and exchanged so many experiences with both professors. And today we're doing the cadavers workshop along with Bluesail Surgical products. And honestly, I feel like this is exactly what at Bluesail Surgical we are thriving for. We are thriving for a more engaging and more nationally communicating experiences with surgeons all over the world, and we aim to provide the best minimally invasive surgery equipment for surgeons to increase their surgical experience. So yeah, we had a blast, and stay tuned. This is our 3rd, 4th time here, so stay tuned for more to come. Thank you.
With everything is well organized and the perfect lab, as you say, it's amazing.
We have 8 surgeons coming from different countries. We have 4 tables, 2 surgeons in each table practicing Uniportal VATS. We are teaching them all the tips and tricks to learn the technique and to apply it to their patients. Come to Lisbon, come to our course.
See you next time for next masterclass.